Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to one-day trip in Kerala's Aithirpalli Waterfalls. So this is about 2.5 hour journey from central Kochi to the Aithirpalli Waterfalls, and you will enjoy the journey in between. So it is covered with lush greens and pine forest. So the journey is also as beautiful as the waterfall itself. The route we chosen is through the Thrissur forest, and we are near the forest ranger and getting the pass. So as you can see, there are a lot of pines here, and this is a wonderful way to get through the busy city, and it shortens your time span. However, the time is limited. After 2.5 hours of our journey, we actually reached the Athirpalli waterfalls. As you can see, there are a lot of streets, shops nearby, and a lot of cars are parked on the sides. It took some time for us to find a parking spot, and you can see a lot of forest rangers roaming around. As this is a part of the wild heritage, there are a lot of things you are restricted to do. So let's enjoy. So the first thing we actually did was, after a long journey, we were tired and we were looking for something to drink. So we just took some snacks and a coffee from the next near shop. From the nearby restaurant itself, we had a view to the waterfalls and truly breathtaking. So we actually sat down for a meal, a traditional Kerala meal, and after that we actually went forward with the buying the tickets and getting it. The ticket was priced around 50 rupees, about $1, and it was actually quite easy to get through everything. Even yes, we bought some cabs since it was summer season in Kerala and it's really hot as a tropical climate. So after buying the ticket, we went inside, and with the lot of views to be seen, and you can buy some ice creams, tea, restaurants, and were there. And this is more like a downhill hiking, and you can see the lot of sheds to sit and enjoy. So actually, we are in the top of the hill, and in order to see the waterfall, we have to go down the hill on through the side of the waterfall. So this is the trail we're going down the hill to. This is you should wear the proper shoes to go down, and this is slippery and laid with stones. And along the way, you can actually see a lot of wild animals like monkeys roaming around. And it's about saying you entry is till 5 o'clock. After the it will be closed. after reaching the bottom, we took some pictures and videos for the Instagram and others as well. So this is my wife taking pictures of her, and it's gorgeous to see the waterfall. Truly mesmerizing. As the it was the during the summer season, the waterfall was little less on the intensity, but however, the main season is through monsoon, through June to September, and afterwards we moved back to. And with that, our video comes to an end, and hope you enjoyed this video. And like and share, subscribe for more videos like this.